sleazy Diamond Marie.
Oh, that's so nice.
He's gonna bite you, bro.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Oh my god, I almost died. I almost died. That was so scary. Thank you.
These like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog.
Here, I'll walk it back.
How are you doing this?
Ouch!
Hey, go!
Call him, Will.
Thôi cô lại tấn 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 tấn.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet?
Oh my god. Oh, Mama, no.
Come on, Ram. Come on. Jump over. Come on.
Come on, guys. Okay, let's go.
It's okay. It's just a kitty kitty. See? It's okay.
Monte Isaiah. Monte, what did you got my baby in a headlock?
Are you serious? Come on, it's a kitten. Move.
Who talking about me on the internet? Let me see. Hold up, I can't see. It's too far away. Let me see who this is. Oh! Ow! What you doing? Ow! You slapped me, boy!
My bad. There's a fly flying around here somewhere. I was just trying to kill it.
No! And don't ask me again. I'm not shaking your hand. Didn't I say don't ask? Oh! I think I tell you don't ask me again. Oh! I know you didn't just ask me again. I said don't. Hold up, we can't be starting off our friendship by you trying to stick your finger in my butt. No, don't be trying to rub me now. Hey, are you gonna tell on me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean, no, I ain't gonna tell on you, bro. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving.
Where you think you going?
Over little Michael house. What?
You gonna tell on me, ain't you? I said.
Hey,
What?
we don't bark this early.
Who? Rude.
What did I just say? We don't bark this early.
Rude.
No.
Love you. Oh, that's how you feel? Let me wipe you off of my face then. Shit.
Oh my goodness. Make me.
Pig.
Bear, that was not nice.
Calma, Rapoche, calma. Eita, porra!
Oh, so sweet.
give me my fluffy, give me my fluffy, give me my fluffy, give me my fluffy.
You just ate an entire chicken parm. The whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Who did this?
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
Who did?
Or did you knock Pam down? Was it you? Who did this?
Did you do that? Mrs. Did you do that right there?
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
You've been making money for it. That's too wild, dude.
Close the door.
Ha ha ha!